Revolution Machine Tools is proud to introduce the S-Genius HSC4 cold saw with automatic feeding table. Like most Revolution Machine Tools, the S-Genius HSC4 can be run by a single operator. The touchscreen interface combined with the automatic feeding table is user-friendly and easily programmable for batch cutting up to 100 jobs with 50 sequences per job. Every detail of the HSC4 cold saw was designed to keep large-scale batch cutting production running smooth the entire workday. The 14-inch cold saw blade is fractions of the cost of bandsaw options. High speed and extremely accurate, capable of thousands of cuts before ever needing sharpening or a replacement blade. Equipped with dual saw lubrication systems including a micro misting unit for multiple blade cooling options on different materials. Designed with carbide blade guides to prevent wandering, ensuring accuracy on every cut. Once the parts are cut, an automatic discharge tray is programmed to feed the parts into the correct bin. With multiple blade options, the HSC4 can be set up to cut a variety of materials, including harder material, different sizes and shapes, and even tube, with incredible precision and accuracy over multiple cuts. Every Revolution machine tool comes with a 2-year warranty and is serviced by our in-house American technician team. For more information or to schedule a demonstration, call a Revolution Machine Tools expert today.